Can't seem to find reason why this land ain't just broken glass and metal rust. Tied in a fucking pit, cause we have to fight like this. Playing by the ground with far, make no damn sense at all. Make the desert into glass, in this conflict at last. Just need to drop a nuke, guarantee no chance of fluke. I don't know anymore what the fuck I'm fighting for. I don't even give a damn if we save this fucking land. Name bomb burning sulfur on rail. Think we fight too soft, too damn weak. Total annihilation is the end I see. Sick of all the protests, whiny hippies let it rest. Get a shower and a job, there is really nothing wrong with the war or its rage. Leave the line in the cake, time is now to take it all. The door and break the wall, give it time and leave it be. Then you can fucking see that there's cowards in the sand. You can't save the sacred land. Think of all the bullshit, drop a bomb and let me hit. Give it to the gods of war, no more problems anymore.